Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you what to do when your Amazon Echo Pop device is not registered. So, if you're getting a message that you're not registered, this is a common problem. First, what you want to do is go to your Amazon Alexa app here, then go to Devices, and make sure your Alexa here is saying connected. Some people are still getting the issue even though it says connected. So you can go in here and we can see we're actually on the internet. But let's go into the cog here and go into the settings. Then come all the way to the bottom and select deregister. Then select deregister again. And this will deregister your Amazon Alexa. Then this will go orange and it'll start deregistering your account. What you want to do then, once it's deregistered, is then re-register it. It's a lot of fiddling about, however, this has helped many people solve the issue of their Alexa saying it's not registered. I know it's frustrating, however, this is the only workaround I've got that can work. If you have any other solutions without having to deregister the Alexa, let us know in the comments below. I'm sure many other people would love to see it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.